Oh hey, what's going on? Hello MTV, welcome to Ripple Studios. This is One Stone's in-house audio makerspace, and a group of students together put all this together, budgeted it out, painted these walls, put the foam up there, and runs it as a professional music studio for One Stone students and anyone in the community looking to get involved with the music community. So, let's start on this side. We have a bunch of cables on a microphone stand. These cables range from audio, just like your standard like instrument cables, and XLR cables. The difference being that these are for guitars and stuff, and these are for microphones and stuff. Over here we have our Casio keyboard. I know Seamus really likes to play on this thing. It's got a lot of different fun sounds, from piano to synths and stuff like that, and a bunch of other miscellaneous stands in the corner. Over here we have a drum set that was very kindly donated to us, and a bunch of students took the skins off of it and put this nice wood grain pattern on it, and we got some extra cymbals and hardware going on. And this kit is just a blast to play, and it sounds really nice, and I know the One Stone Jazz Band uses it a lot. Over here we have a wide selection of guitars. So we got some acoustic guitars, an electric guitar, an electric bass guitar, and these are instruments that are either Ripple purchased for the studio or were donated by community members, and any of these instruments can be used by students for their recordings or just to practice or to learn an instrument, which is pretty cool. Over here is the mixing desk, which is where a lot of the technological stuff happens. So connected to it we have a microphone. This is an audio interface, and that allows you to plug in any electronic instrument and stuff like that to listen through these monitors or through headphones and connect to this here One Stone iMac to work with software to record and play around with DAWs, or digital audio workstations as they're known in the industry. And this is where a lot of people who work in electronic music hang around, and you know, we have people making rap songs, EDM, some really cool electronic music. This here is a MIDI keyboard which connects up to that audio interface and helps out with a lot of that electronic recording stuff. And this is just a fun corner if you're a fan of foam, because there's so much of it in this corner. Over here we have some additional percussion. We've got shakers. This is where we keep all of the microphones that we're not using zipped up in their little pouches that they arrived in, along with our fun little toolbox right here. So this is just a good place to keep track of all the equipment that we're not using at a given moment. And we have little field recorders where you can go out and record outside of Ripple Studios if you want to record an interview or something like that. So a lot of fun equipment over here. And that brings us right back around to this here door, which is the way you get in and out of Ripple Studios. This has been the official One Stone tour of Ripple Studios.